Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making Jamaican jerk chicken. From start to finish, I will show you how I do it in half the usual time. Keep watching if you want to know. Please remember to like, comment, share, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is clean your chicken up. Usually for jerk chicken, you have to keep the skin on. So you clean under it, scrape the hairs off the top, clean it. Yeah, clean your meat. Top, front, bottom, side, clean it. Then go ahead and wash your meat. I like to use vinegar. And then I like to rinse it again using just plain water. And please clean your sink. Scrub it down with bleach and soap. Clean your sink. Then on to my favorite blended seasoning. So you can see what I'm including. You can use whatever seasoning you prefer. I'm using what I like to use. I usually do this with vinegar and a little water. I have a small bottle that I store it in. I ran out, so that's why you're getting to see this on video. You can also add your favorite powder seasonings to the mixture. All right, let's get this started. So pour in my blended seasoning. There's no maximum, no minimum when it comes to seasoning for me. I just freelance. Throw till my ancestor them say stop. Yeah, that's more like it. I will try to leave a list of all the seasonings that I use in the description box. Yep, and rub. This is Saturday evening meat prep for Sunday's dinner. So, yeah, it's always best to leave your meat to marinate for at least 2 hours. 24 hour, the best, but 2 hours, the least. Fresh out the fridge Sunday morning. And yes, I use canned peas because I don't have the time to cook peas. Tastes the same way, does the same thing. So, yeah. Season up your rice pot just the same. Let it boil. Taste it. You know? Yeah. All right. So now I boil them. Yes. Boil the chicken just as is. If you seasoned it enough, you should be good. If not, you can always add extra seasoning to the water. And you're basically just pre-cooking the chicken. I boil them until the fork, can go through it easily. Now you only need 15 to 20 minutes on the grill just to get the color and to get it smoked. Yep. Yep, look at that. In no time, color catch. One side was quicker. Red stripe, I don't know what that does, but my mom used it, so I am doing it too. Yeah, watch meat, well cooked, well jerk. And then my sauce, I just use the same boiling water and add extra seasoning and stuff. Yeah. Now onto the veggies. And I'm just adding this seasoning to my greens to give it color and a little more flavor. And I use the sauce to keep my chicken moist because I cook very early and I want them to stay moist. Yeah, watch plate. Nice food. Watch jerk chicken. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, comment, share, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe.